Hello students, I hope you all are doing fine. So today we are going to solve this question which is based on series expansion and based on binomial. They are asking us to find the value of summation r is equal to 1 to n r into NCR. So what we will do, we know 1 plus x power n is nothing but NC naught plus NC1 x plus NC2 x square plus NC3 x cube, like that it is going on. Now what I will do, differentiate this, differentiate a equation with respect to x. So if you differentiate, what you'll get, n into 1 plus x whole power n minus 1 is equal to NC1 plus 2 NC2x plus 3 NC3 x square. We are differentiating both sides, LHL as well as RHL, plus 4 NC4 x cube. Now if you see summation what it was written, summation r is equal to 1 to n r into NCR. Just open this summation, what you'll get, 1 into NC1, 2 into NC2, 3 into NC3, like this. So what we will do here, if you substitute, put x equal to 1, so what you'll get, n 2 power n minus 1 is equal to nc1 plus 2nc2 plus 3nc3, like that. So what is the answer? What is the value of this? N into 2 power n minus 1. Remember this. For example, this is the question. They are asking the value of summation r is equal to 1 to 20 r into, what is that? 20 C naught, 20 C1, 20 C2. So here NCR. So what is there? If you see this, this is nothing but 1 C1 R NC R only, it is written, summation R is equal to 1 to 20. If you open this also, you will get the same. 20 C1, 20 C2, 20 C3, 20 C4. So what is the answer for this? N into 2 power n minus 1, which is 20 into 2 power 19. I hope you understood the concept, because JEE mains are definitely asking series summation questions. So you should know the concept, and they may change some data. For example, they will give you r square, r cube. The process is going to be same. You have to think how many times do we have to differentiate. Accordingly, we have to solve. So I hope you understood this question. And for more such videos, you can share and subscribe to my channel. And all the best. Thank you.